Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how to view Insta stories without letting them know. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Instagram application, then get logged into your account. To let you know, it is possible to view someone's Instagram story without knowing them by making sure that your mobile device is in airplane mode before you open the stories. So I'm gonna make my phone to the airplane mode first. Now you tap and open the stories, you will be able to view it. As you can see, you will be able to view the story. This is because Instagram has access to preload several stories to enable instant viewing even without the connected Wi-Fi or data connection. You just can view one or two stories without letting them know that you have viewed their Instagram stories. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can view Insta stories without letting them know. Thank you.